Hi, I'm Ellie Bowen. So, liberalism is where you want gay marriage and you're pro choice and you want as much government intervention as possible, isn't it? Actually, it is individual freedom on a social and economic scale, and it's designed to keep government out, not in. This was started in Scotland in the 1700s, and they wanted individual freedom and they wanted you to have to work for your prosperity. Liberalism has a specific framework, and that includes as little government intervention as possible, which is anarchy, and it also does not act like a billiard ball or a unitary actor. It has a lot of individuals in it who have their own opinions, just like the United States. There are two types of people in a liberal government. There are the electorate, who get to vote for who they want, and then there's the selectorate, which is the people whose votes got whoever elected. With liberalism, there's also a lot of democratic peace, which means they won't fight other democracies. They only fight people who are non-democratic regimes or NDRs. And those wars are normally short because they know that they're going to win. And the wars are normally for the public good, so it's a moral thing. With democratic peace, there is the logic of iterated games, which means you have to have a very trustworthy relationship with the countries you're interacting with, because a lot of dealings are actually diplomatic and not physical. Unlike monarchies, democracies have a lot of people who want to stay in power. The typical politician. Now that I've covered most of the trademarks of liberalism, I'd like to note that everything applies to the United States. So yes, maybe we are a liberal country, but are the liberals in the United States really liberals? I think that conservatives are more liberal than real liberals, because conservatives really believe that the government should be involved as little as possible, when liberals in the United States think that the government should have a lot more control than they do right now. So think about it before you call somebody a liberal.